Welcome to the exciting realm of generative AI, where creativity and technology collide in spectacular ways. Today, we're diving deep into a transformative force that is changing how we think about art, innovation, and the very nature of creativity itself. Generative AI is like having a powerful co-pilot on your creative journey. Imagine a tool that not only enhances your artistic vision, but also pushes the boundaries of what's possible. By harnessing advanced technologies such as machine learning, neural networks, and generative adversarial networks, GANs, we're witnessing a new era of unique content creation, from breathtaking visual art to mesmerizing music and engaging text. At the heart of generative AI is machine learning, a marvel of technology that learns from vast amounts of data, similar to how we humans learn through experience. Picture this: algorithms diving into datasets, finding patterns, and replicating creativity, like an apprentice artist honing their skills. And let's not forget GANs. These genius systems work like a creative duo. One network generates content while the other critiques it, creating a thrilling cycle of continual improvement. This energetic collaboration fuels innovative artistic expression. And guess what? Transformers have taken it a step further by empowering AI to not just understand, but beautifully generate human-like language. Imagine crafting compelling stories and dialogues as if they were penned by a seasoned author, blending prose and poetry at its finest. The practical applications of generative AI are nothing short of mind-blowing. In the art world, AI is challenging our notions of creativity, producing stunning works that provoke thought and inspire emotion. Thousands flock to galleries showcasing AI-generated masterpieces, each piece sparking conversation around the ever-evolving concept of artistry. In the realm of music, the possibilities are nearly limitless. Picture an electrifying concert where human musicians join forces with AI to create soundscapes that linger long after the final note. Feel the rhythm adapt to every moment, drawing in audiences from all walks of life. But it doesn't stop there. Let's talk tech. Developers are leveraging generative AI to reduce mundane coding tasks, freeing them up to focus on what truly matters: innovation and creativity. It's a game changer for productivity that's redefining how we work and collaborate. And in the healthcare industry, generative AI is becoming a vital tool in drug discovery, sifting through enormous datasets to identify potential treatments more quickly than ever before. This advancement could be the key to finding therapies that save countless lives. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we embrace the advantages of generative AI, we must also tackle its ethical challenges. The potential misuse of this technology, like creating deepfakes, raises concerns about misinformation and the impact on society. We must scrutinize algorithms for biases to ensure that innovation leads to progress, not pitfalls. As generative AI continues to blur the lines between human and machine-created content, it ignites profound discussions on originality, authorship, and the future of creative careers. What does this mean for artists and professionals in creative industries? The answers could redefine our understanding of work and art itself. The future is incredibly bright. Imagine a vibrant metaverse where AI conjures breathtaking virtual environments tailored just for you, or envision AI companions that evolve alongside you, enriching daily experiences. The path of generative AI is filled with exciting advancements that promise to reshape our world in unimaginable ways. So, as we explore the captivating landscape of generative AI, let's not only embrace its incredible possibilities, but also stay aware of its implications. Together, we stand on the brink of a creative renaissance that will empower us to dream bigger and create bolder than ever before.